Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix League of Legends freezing and crashing on our Windows PC. Let's fix it guys. Unfortunately, there is not one solution that works for everybody. So you need to try each of these steps to find the one that works for you. First step, you just need to update the graphics drivers. To do this, for NVIDIA users, use the GeForce Experience. If you don't have GeForce Experience installed on your PC, then check my video description for the download link. For AMD users, use the AMD Write-On software. Select the drivers tab and select check for updates. If you have any available update listed over here, then you just need to update it and make your graphics card up to date, guys. After that, just close stuff here. Second step, you just need to verify game files. To do this, open up a right client, select the profile icon and select settings. On left side, select League of Legends and click on this repair option and select start repair and repair the game. After that, just close stuff here. Third step, you just need to adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings, disable unnecessary feature like shadows or anti-aliasing, and reduce resolution if your system struggles with high settings. Fourth step, you just need to run as administrator. To do this, right click on the League of Legends and select properties, select compatibility tab and check mark run this program as an administrator and select apply and OK for save changes. Fifth step, you just need to allow through firewall. To do this, go to search menu and type allow an app through firewall. Click on open it. Select change settings and select allow another app and select browse. Navigate to the right client location and select the right client services and select open. Select add. After adding the right client, check mark both option private and public. After that, select allow another app and select browse. You just need to navigate to the League of Legends location and select the League of Legends client and select open. Select add. After adding the game, you just need to check mark both boxes public and private. After that, click on OK. Sixth step, you just need to delete config and data folder. To do this, you just need to open up right client and select this profile icon and select settings. Select the League of Legends and you just need to navigate to the install path, guys, over here. In my case, I installed an E drive. You just need to go to the file location, open up File Explorer, navigate to the League of Legends location and just need to find config folder and data folder in here. Just right click on it and select delete it. After deleting these two folders, you just need to close stuff here and close off the League right client. Now you just need to restart the right client and which will regenerate these files automatically. Seventh step, you just need to disable background applications. To do this, right click on the taskbar and select task manager. You just need to close unnecessary background applications using task manager to free up system resources just by right click on them and select end task. After that, just to close stuff here. Eighth step, you just need to reinstall the game. If none of the above steps work, uninstall League of Legends, delete any remaining files in the installation folder and reinstall it. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the League of Legends freezing and crashing problem. And that's it for today's video, guys. Give me a like and subscribe. Thank you.